Hey guys, Matt here from MK-SmartHouse.com, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new iPhone XS Max and putting a tempered glass screen protector on it. Now let's get right into the unboxing. Put the screen protector off to the side and go ahead and pop open the box. And here we have the iPhone. Wow, that is a big box. Alright, so you just flip up the flaps. And then that releases the iPhone. Oh my god, that is big. Now I did also order a case for it, but the case, I thought it would come in this week before the iPhone would come in, but unfortunately it didn't, so it'll be here next week. But so here, I went with the silver one and 256 gigabyte. So the middle, the one before the most expensive one. All right, so first let's take a tour around the box. Got the iPhone on the front. It's a little bit raised. It says iPhone here, Apple logo here, iPhone here, another Apple logo. I wish it would have said like iPhone XS Max on the side, because I think that would be better for branding, but okay. And then on the back, it says 256 gigabyte. All right, typical Apple fashion. Pull this, comes right off. Now we just lift the top off. That's different. Didn't it always come with the iPhone on top? Anyway, so you lift this up, you have all of your literature. So it says designed in Apple, California. It says hello. Wow, these are very colorful. All your instructions on how to use the iPhone. Put that off to the side. Wow, so even the non-unlocked versions come with the SIM ejector tool now. Because my iPhone 10 didn't come with this. That's cool. Probably because of the new dual SIM thing that they include them. Some kind of regulatory. They reduced this so much. It used to be like a whole booklet, now it's just one page. And you get 2 Apple stickers on thinner than normal paper. All right, here we have the iPhone. Lift that up. Wow, that is big. Actually, it's not that much bigger than my 10. Cool. Off that to the side. Got another set of Apple, what do they call these now? They're not the AirPods. The AirPods are the wireless ones. Anyway, Apple headphones. And no lightning to 3.5 millimeter connector. So you just get only the headphones that are wired to your lightning port. Another lightning connector, a cable, this is good. Like all the other people have mentioned, there is no fast charger, you just get the normal one. Cool, that's it. And then nothing else in the box. So let's take a look at the iPhone now. If you're a smart home enthusiast like me and want to show that you're an elite member of the smart home community, then check out SmartHouseSociety.com. If you want to support my channel, then check out the link in the description and grab yourself a premium quality hoodie, shirt, or hat. Peel that back. Wow. Big display. Let's see, did it come with any power? It did. Cool. Alright, while the display is still clean, let's go ahead and install the screen protector. Wow, that is big. Alright, so with the screen protector, post your comments below if you think that the tempered glass screen protectors do anything or don't, and they're just a gimmick. I've heard mixed reviews on what people think. Some people think that they do something. Some people think that they don't. I personally think that they do. I've had many times where my screen protector cracks, but my phone doesn't. So that's my personal opinion. But let me know, what do you guys think? Do you think it's a waste of money? Ruins the display? Let me know. So with the screen protectors, you just put on the frame. And then you put this guy on. Oops, did that wrong. And then just go down the middle. And then the screen protector sets. Then you take your microfiber cloth take this frame off. So now I can say that tempered glass screen protector since day one. So I'm gonna go through, get out all the bubbles, and also go through the setup process and show you guys the phone. All right guys, I got the phone all set up. Now let's take a tour around the phone. So on the bottom, the biggest change on the bottom is this new antenna band right here, because it used to be so it is the same amount of circles as on this side and on this side, but they updated the band. You still have your lightning connector. Then on here you have the SIM card slot, then you have the power button, another antenna band, another antenna band. Wow, that is a lot of antenna bands. There's like one on every side. Another antenna band, nothing else on the top. Another antenna band, another one. Volume up and down buttons. You have your mute switch. Then on the back you have the glass in the white, and then you have your dual cameras with the microphone and the flash. And then on the front you just have your entire display with the speaker, camera, and all the other sensors for Face ID. And I will say that I noticed that when you close it, you can already tell the difference with the new like separated stereo speakers or whatever you want to call it. So there is a definite audio difference. And just so you know, I'm coming from an iPhone 10 to the XS Max. So I can already tell the difference with the audio. In terms of like usability, it doesn't feel that much different than the iPhone 10. Like maybe it's because I'm not used to it or something, but like width-wise it feels fine. But then when it comes to like reaching up, it's a little bit difficult. Like when I was setting up the phone and I wanted to go next, I either had to like use this other hand or I had to use the thumb and like move and shift the phone. I don't know. I'm gonna cut to a clip now where I'll show you the iPhone 10 next to the iPhone XS Max. If you want to see this phone controlling my smart home, head over to my main channel, MK-SmartHouse, where I'm gonna be doing a video that will show this phone controlling my smart home, because that is what my main channel is about. It's all things smart home related. So I will leave a link in the description over to that channel. All right, so here we have my iPhone 10, and then here we have the XS Max. So you can already tell that there is a side comparison. Now that I look at the two phones, I can tell the difference. Before, I couldn't really tell. But like holding it, this one definitely now feels a lot smaller. Like when I just opened this one, it felt fine. The only problem was reaching, but looking at the two, you can definitely feel that this one is a lot bigger. But then in comparison on the sides, the only new antenna band that I can see is the one on the top and the one on the bottom. But other than that, they look pretty much the same. And this one is, in terms of weight, there's not that much difference either. Like this one may be just a little bit heavier, but even then it's pretty close. All right, thank you guys for watching my unboxing, overview, comparison, whatever you want to call this video. Make sure you head over to MK-SmartHouse, and I'll see you guys later.
No.